Back at you again. We got the wires ran for the rear lights, brake lights, blinker lights, reverse lights. Got to put the new bulbs in there. And as you can see, that wire, it runs all the way to the front. We're in the trunk. Excuse me for the lighting back here. It's kind of dark, but we getting the job done. American Auto Wire, 1966 Chevy Impala. Back at you again. Working on the 66 Impala. We ran our AC condenser, our dryer, our valve switch. We got one 6-inch hard line hooked up. As you can see right here, we got a heater hose. We have 2 of our AC lines. We got to make our hole in the front to run our hard lines about right here. We have a template, whatever you call it, made to connect to the radiator here and right there. And there's a bracket template where you can be able to mark where the hole gonna go to do your hard lines. A 1 inch and 1/4. And also we got this beautiful front accessories, air conditioning, polished aluminum radiator with the 2 fans. And later we'll run see if we can get a 10-inch fan in the front, possible 12. We gotta measure it out, see what it do. We got our AC plate on the cover. We got that on, matching, looking good, all blended in. All right, we got our unit installed. Air conditioning heater. There it is. Back at you again. We got our AC lines hooked up. We still got to run our heater hose and our electrical wire. We left that adapter piece right there off till we run our electric wire. The AC condenser's in, accumulator. Made that look original. And we gotta run these heater hoses. Heater hose gotta be ran. Back at you again. We got the 1966 out. It's about to go to the muffler shop. Get new exhaust, 2.5-inch piping from front to back. Dual exhaust. Back at you again. Got the 6.6 exhaust done. Tow truck is on the way to pick it up. To make it look nice, we went on to put the chrome tips on it. Dual exhaust. Oh wow, clean job. Clean job. Brand new exhaust. Oh, that look good. Look beautiful. Back at you again. About to go start back on the electrical wiring on the 66 Impala. Electric fans, I'm gonna start with this. Screwing this in there. Put a little silicone on the threads. And you got the little temp switch. About to run the relay. I'll put it right here. Right there for the fan relay. Got the relay hooked up as far as this to mount it. About to run the relay. I'll put it right here. Right there for the fan relay. Got the relay hooked up as far as this to mount it. Okay, I got some of my electrical wires hooked up. Got my temperature switch hooked up for the fan. When it reach above 190, it'll cut on automatic. I got my relay hooked up. And also, I have my trinary switch hooked up. It runs for electric fans. This power wire right that I have in here, I just have it stuck in there. That's gonna go on both fans on the positive. I have my fuse that's gonna go this end right here. It's gonna go to the positive side of the battery. It's gonna go to the fans. And this is the ground for the vintage air. This one right here is leading from here, going down here. That's to power up the vintage air. And I have two 12-inch fans. You have the orange wire that's leading from the fuse box to power up the fan, which that's the ignition wire for power. And that's gonna tell the fans to cut on. And that hooks to the brown wire to the relay. On the relay, you have the 12 volt for the battery. This one go to the fan. The brown one's for the ignition. The ground goes out to the binary and also to the switch. Back at you again. I got the brace for the 67 that's rotted out. There's two. I have the new straps. I have the bolts, the nuts. This piece was missing on the 66 in the corner. I also got that. I got a fuel cap. I have a battery tray for the 66 and the 67. We got that piece right there. It was tore up for the eyebrow in the 67. We're going to send those out and get those re-chromed. That's all the pieces. And in that box right there, that's a gas cap. And in this box, these are the little pins that when you open up the door, it right there, it'll allow the dome lights to come on. Battery tray hold down. Got two. One for the 67, one for the 66. The bolts to strap down the gas tank. Two bolts for the battery tray. Transmission lines from the radiator to the training lines. Back at you again on the 66 Impala. I'm about to install these fittings for the transmission lines. Connect at the bottom. All right, they go in right here. And you have another one on the other end. Okay, got both fittings on. Got the lines on. Now it's time to tighten them up. I picked up two fittings for the heater hose. This one's gonna go here, and the straight one is gonna go down there in this section, right here, right in there. About to install these and cut you back on. All right, I got it ran where instead of me having the hose come up, that means my hose gonna be looking like this. You know, like that. Instead, I can have it coming straight across and running to go in there like that. Make it look nice and neat. Then the other one, I got it right. You can see it in between those two hoses right here, touching it. Right there, you can see it. I got my hand on it. That's the one. Another heater hose, I had to get that one too, where this is long and you can turn it. Alrighty, I just picked up a top radiator hose. And as we can see, this is the original hose. It's not no flex hose. This is Gates for the top radiator hose. And it goes like that. And then it's gonna go to your outlet right there. That works. And I got some brand new clamps. Okay, I got the hose on. Still got to get a new water outlet. I might as well go with a chrome one. Now I'm about to hook the linkage up. And this linkage fits the 350 transmission, the 400, the 700 R4. This one has the 700 R4 overdrive. And this is the whole kit. For installation. And this the part number. You can either go to Classic Industries, or you can go to online to see if they have it with that same part number. Okay, I'm about to begin the process. I gotta run this piece, hook it up to there, which is gonna come at an angle right here, like that. So I got a choice of coming inside. I prefer to come on the outside. The inside or the outside. Let's see which way will be the best. Okay, that's what I got so far. I got right here and right here. These two. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come with a curve because it's at an angle. This right here, this part, I'm gonna come with a curve, kind of put a bend to it. So when you're right here and right here, see, it comes out too far right here, which don't want to put pressure too much right here. So when I'm lining this up, like this, kind of want to make it with a light bend right where my pinky's at, touching right there. And then I'm gonna have to cut the rod so it won't be as long. All right, I got it hooked up. I got the bend to it right here, where when it's bent here, you come in straight in here, and I cut it. And right now it's up in park. Tighten the ends. Gotta get an Allen to fit these. Then I'll test it out. They got overdrive.
Yeah. 700.
Back at you again. About to put the brake pedal in for the 66 Impala. This is the brake pedal. Okay, I got it painted with a new brake pad. Okay, I got it installed. Back at you again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Back at you again. I'm back on the 66. I got the organizer to organize the spark plug wire so they won't be looking like that. Start with this side of the installation and work my way. This is the passenger side. I'm gonna work my way to the driver's side. Okay, we got that on. Both sides. Then I got my heater hose connected. And the lower one, you can see through there. Heater hose below. Not heater hose. Okay, we got this side done. Look how much neater that look. Okay. I got this side done. Back at you again.
Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive.
Back at you again. Refreshing the 6.6. Putting in some of this good antifreeze. Sun is out today. Next, what we're gonna be doing is we got those spark plug wires right there. We're gonna measure them and cut them. Those you gotta cut. You got this little kit right here. You got one is for points and one is for electronic. This one's for electronic. As you can see, the little nipple right there. Or you can go points. This one's set up for points. As you see, I put the wires on. Look good, huh?
Yeah, I seen it on the video.
Oh, you checked it out? I got next we're gonna cut the wires. I came back
down here because Lee called me.
Yeah?
I had just laid down.
Wow. I'll get it. Let me get it. You kind of wanna just rest your hand on the top of it, like with your palm. Put it on the dot and just push down and twist it. Goes right on there. So next I gotta get a water outlet, because this is the original hose. That didn't come from AutoZone. That come from Classic Industries, because they got the flex hose. I wanted to go with the pre-curved. It's better. So now I got to get the outlet to go that way, or at least at a 90. What is that? A 90 degree? Yeah. So kind of go at an angle, and I'm not gonna always do the hose like that or come off of it, but I'm gonna try to get one. They do sell them for the like the Chevys.
Yeah.
Come off at an angle, like the newer design. I'm gonna get that one.
Back at you again, again. Singing them rhymes, singing them raps, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive.
Back at you again. Got the 66 on the rack. Watch it go on and do what it do. As far as that, let's get it going. So we can start it up, start test driving it. All right, got the 66 up there. Got the Priest at the bottom. Caprice gonna be painted soon.